Hi friends, hi viewers. So this is Sri Ramulu. Today's topic is a potential, electric potential, right? Electric potential. So here I have only written potential. So it is not simply potential. It is electric potential. Okay. So there are the two definitions for the electric potentials. What are those definitions? See here. The ratio of work done in taking a test to charge from one point to another point in electric field to magnitude of the test charge is called potential difference between these 2 points. Here what is saying, the ratio, it is a ratio means division. Okay, so division is for what? It is work done, means for work done taking a test charge from one point to another point in field, that is in field. Two indicates division. And what magnitude of charge means q. Okay, this is called potential difference, that is the definition. Work by charge is potential difference. See how can I explain? Work done in taking a test to charge from one point to other point. So let it is a completely field. Okay, so it is a, this field is because of a positive charges or group of charges. What I want, I have here one point, it is already experiencing one certain force. Let a point, certain point it is situated, means at a point A. Now what I have to do, I have to bring this is this side, I have to bring this is this side. Okay, right, I have to bring this test charge from point A to some other point. So here let another point, that is a B point. Okay, so to bring how much work we have to do here, certain work we have to do to bring this positive charge from A to B inside the field. To means by charge. Okay, so to bring a positive charge from A to B, certain work has to done. That work by its charge, magnitude of charge is called potential. This is the definition of potential. Okay, and the next definition, see, but it is generally we have to say it is a potential difference. Why? Because we are bringing a point from one point to another point, that is inside the field only. So that is why, so how much potential here, certain potential present here, also certain potential present. Okay, so that the difference between these two potential is a potential difference. Okay, next point, work done by external agent means some other force or some by some other things. In carrying means bringing a unit positive charge. Okay, one positive charge unit means one coulomb positive charge. From where to where? See, from infinity point, here certain distance, but here from infinity to that point against electric force of field. Why it is against to? Suppose here it is a point or a group of points, so because of this what happened, up to certain region, certain force of attraction or repulsion will create. Okay, if you keep here on negative charge, it starts attracting, but if you keep here on positive charge, it starts repelling. Now what I'm doing, I'm not keeping any charges here, I am bringing one positive charge from infinity distance. Let it is at infinity, so I am bringing this side. Okay, but already here positive charges is there, it is a unit positive charge. So these two charges what happen, they starts repelling each other. Okay, even though against its a repulsion force, I have to bring in this direction. So I want to do here certain work to bring it against its force, means opposite to its force. So that work is called what? Potential. Not simply potential, it is electric potential. Okay, next, dipole definition. When two charges equal in magnitude but opposite in sign are separated by a small distance is called dipole. Suppose here one positive charge, it is negative charge. Let's see, these two are separated at a certain distance, but this distance is very small distance. Okay, so then this is called dipole. Okay, so it is called electric dipole. You have to say why charges. Why? Because magnetic dipoles also present, so it is called electric dipole. Okay, so it is positive charge, it is negative charge, means here two two charges equal in magnitude. Here it is q, it is q, it is magnitude, and but opposite in sign. So it is a plus sign, it is minus sign, are separated by a small distance. By small distance is called dipole. So this is called dipole. Okay, now the product of magnitude of charges and charge, product of magnitude of charge and a distance between the two charges is called dipole moment. So just now for dipole definition what I said, here it is one positive charge, it is one negative charge, let these two are separated at distance. So generally distance between two charges we take it as a 2a or 2l. Why? From center to here distance a, from center to here distance is a. So then between this charge is this charge, total distance is how much? 2a. Or for example it is positive charge, it is negative charge. Okay, from distance it is center points, from center to here distance is l, from center to here distance is l, then here to here distance is how much? 2l. So like this we write. So why it is 2 comes, that is a distance between two charges only. L means that is distance from charge to center. Okay, charge to center, that is a from plus charge to center or minus charge to center. Okay, and some definition. See, product of magnitude of two charges. See, it is a positive charge, it is a negative charge, its magnitude is q. Okay, and a distance between two charges. So distance between two charges is either 2l or 2a we write. So 2a or 2l into q is called dipole moment. 2aq is what? Dipole moment. It is denoted by p, right friends? So dipole moment 2aq is equals to p, or 2lq is p. If it is a distance is l, then 2lq. If the distance is, if you take as a, then 2aq. Now electric potential due to dipole. Okay, due to dipole how much potential will create, that is we need. Figure, a figure shows the dipole of charge plus and minus of length. Here see, distance between the two charges is what? That is 2a. So that means from center, from this point, from center to here a, and from center to here a. So total here to here how much distance? 2a. Okay friends, here the aim is to calculate, aim is to determine the potential at external point, means from at a certain point from these 2 points, point external point p at a distance small r from the center o of the dipole along the line op making angle theta. Okay, see here, here it is one negative charge, it is a positive charge. Negative charge is placed at a point, positive charge is placed at b point. Okay friends, and in between them center is here, that center is, let me denote with o. Okay, let me consider one point p, point p outside. Outside means it is a certain distance from plus q and minus q. Let at a distance r, here to here distance is r. R is the distance from center to p only. So at point p I want to calculate potential. Okay, so r is the distance from a to where? From o to p only. op is r. Okay, for this what I am doing, I am going to draw two normals. So she is read here first. Let bn and am be the two perpendicular to op. bm, bn and am, bn and am. See here, bn and am. So here it is, this point is making angle theta, I have forgotten. So how much angle this side presents? Same angle this side presents. Okay, already you know, that is bn and am. Where is? Here bn, b to n, am, a to m. So these two are two normals. It is one normal, it is another normal. Why do we have to draw the normal? This normal can say that here to here how much distance present, this is the also same distance. That is the meaning to draw this normal. Here also b is from b to n, one normal is drawn with dotted line. Here to here distance how much present, this distance also same. Okay, so bp is equals to np. Here mp is equals to ap. Okay, now potential at a p due to the charge plus q at a b. Okay, because of b plus q at a p point, how much potential will present? Already we know the potential formula. Potential is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Okay, charge by distance. Okay, so these are all are constant, only r will change. Instead of r there are the many different distances are there. Okay, because of plus q, that is situated at a b. So how much potential create at a p? Okay, so with this charge how much potential create at p? So generally we know the potential 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge by distance. That distance is what, where to where, b to p, bp distance. Okay, but we know bp is nothing but np. bp and np are equal, so for this purpose only normal is drawn. Okay, so that is why in the place of bp, np is also drawn, written. Okay, next, potential p at a p. So potential at a p due to minus charge at q. So with this charge how much potential present at this point? So for this also same 1 by 4 5 epsilon naught charge by distance. So this distance, but we know this distance is equals to this distance. Okay, ap is equals to mp we know. So in the place of ap, mp is written, but charge is minus here. That is, you should not forget. Here plus charge, here it is minus charge. That is, we must remember. Next, resultant means 1 and equation 2, we must add them. Equation 1 and equation 2. So addition. So by adding the equation, what we get? We get this is among them common point, a common terms, it is a common, it is also common. So take them outside. Then n q by np and minus q by mp, minus q by mp it is. Okay, now consider, okay, from the let it is equation 3 and keep it side. So first we have, now what we have to calculate, np and mp we have to calculate now. So if you want to calculate np and mp from the figure only we can calculate, right? From the right angle triangle ONB. Here I have drawn the two diagrams, same diagram I have taken. Why? Because if you want to see the diagram, so here without diagram we cannot do anything. Without diagram we cannot calculate np and mp. So for this no need to go back again and again to see this diagram. So that is why same diagram is taken in this only. So no need to refer, no need to go back. Okay, for this purpose only I have taken two diagram. But actually how many diagrams you have to draw? Only one diagram, not two diagram. Okay, see here, from right angle triangle ONB. So where, here it is ONB. Okay, so it is one right angle triangle. Okay, so right angle triangle means, see that, let me draw that right angle triangle on this side. On this line dotted line is there, at this point b is there, this is okay. It is what, it is o point, it is n point. ONB triangle it is, right? ONB triangle. And here 90 degrees, here 90 degrees, 90. But angle is in which side? At the point O only angle theta. So 90 opposite to the 90 side is called, this side is hypotenuse. Okay, so you must remember, opposite to the 90 degree, the side opposite to the 90 degree is called hypotenuse. Okay, so that means OB is the hypotenuse. Opposite to the theta is opposite side. Okay, So this side is hypotenuse, this side is opposite, and it is adjacent side, right? Next, so here what OB is the hypotenuse, NB is the what? It is opposite. So what I want here. So let me I don't know the distance, ON distance. I don't know. So for this I am going to calculate ON distance. ON. ON is how can we get ON? Instead of ON, first let me take cos theta. Cos theta formula is what? It is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent to the what? Adjacent to the theta. Cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. Adjacent is what? Here I said you it is hypotenuse. I said you it is opposite. I said you. Then what's which side? The ON side is adjacent. Okay. ON by hypotenuse is what? OB. But OB already we know A, OB value is A. So ON by A is equals to cos theta. Bring this A this side. A cos theta is equals to ON. So here ON is equals to OB cos theta, that is equals to A cos theta. Right? Like this we get A cos theta. Okay friends. Now here O to P value we know. OP is what? It is R. Okay, OP is R, but we don't know. We just now we have calculated, it is ON also calculated. ON is A cos theta, but what we don't know, NP we don't know. Okay, so for this what we can write here, O to P is can be written as from here to here can be written as it is a ON plus NP. ON plus NP, right? ON plus NP. Okay, already ON value is there. How much? A cos theta. NP value is how much? N to P. N to P. How much? We don't know, that is N to P. But OP we know. How much that is here? From here to here, OP is R. R is equals to ON is what? A cos theta plus NP. So bring A cos theta this side, R minus A cos theta is equals to NP. So like this, NP is equals to R minus A cos theta we get. Okay friends, NP is equals to R minus A cos theta. Similarly, from right angle triangle AMO. So already with this is over. Next with this, okay, AMO. Here AMO. So 90 degrees at a point M only. So opposite to the 90, this side is called hypotenuse. Okay, angle is this side. This side is what it is. This is opposite side. Okay, let me draw the diagram outside. It is A point. This is B point. It is normal. Here 90 degrees. Already this value is A is written here this side. Okay, here point is O point. Okay, so here A point, right? Now OM is equals to, so here O to P we know, but we don't know, this is extra distance. OM we don't know, that OM we are going to calculate. For calculating OM, take cos theta. Why do you have to take cos theta only? So OM distance is adjacent to the and theta. Okay, adjacent to the theta, so that is why I am taking cos theta. Why? In the cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse is there, so that is why adjacent, if you have to calculate the adjacent, we must apply cos theta. Okay, so here cos theta is equals to adjacent is how much? We don't know. OM by hypotenuse is A. Okay, so cos, bring this A this side. A cos theta is equals to OM. Like this, A cos theta is equals to OM we get. So OM is equals to A cos theta. Okay, OA is what you know, O to A distance. O to A is A distance. Okay friends, that is why that comes in this manner only. Next, M to P we don't know. Okay, M2P can be written as MP can be written as, see how many parts we can divide. M2O already we have calculated, MO plus O2P OP, right? MP we don't know MP, but MO just now we have calculated. MO or OM both are same, that is as A cos theta, okay, plus OP is what? O2P is R. So finally A cos theta plus R we can write R plus A cos theta also we can write, okay, R plus A cos theta, okay. Equation 4 and 5, so what we got? NP MP we got. So substitute in the equation 3. What is equation 3? This is equation 3. In the equation 3, Q by NP minus Q by MP is there, okay. So NP value we know, so substitute NP MP. NP term is R minus A cos theta, yes, R minus. Next MP is R plus A cos theta, R plus A cos theta. Here common factor is Q is there, take outside Q, yes, here no Q, here 1 into Q, outside Q. Q V is equals to 4 Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is outside. Now take LCM. How do we have to take LCM? Simple simplification in this manner, LCM only. So whatever bracket this whatever value present here, simply write this side, and this value write this side, and later these two values multiply downside, okay. See here, this is written this side, yes, it is written this side, this is written this side, yes, this is written this side, and again these two are multiplied hit downside, it is multiplied, okay. That is simple simplification, okay. Now Q by 4 pi epsilon is as it is. Now here it is minus is there, multiply minus inside, so minus of R minus A cos theta is there, so multiply minus R, minus inside, minus R, here minus into minus, it becomes plus A cos theta, okay. And this side is what? R plus A cos theta is there, so minus R plus R cancel, A cos theta plus A cos theta, totally how many cos thetas? 2A cos theta, A cos theta, A cos theta, 2A cos theta, so that is why 2A cos theta we got, okay friends. And downside, here R, let R as A and A cos theta as B, so here A minus B into A plus B form. A minus B into A plus B form is what? A square minus B square, so R square minus A square cos square theta, okay. So that is okay. Next Q multiply inside, 2AQ cos theta, okay. 2AQ is what? It is a dipole moment, not dipole moment. So dipole moment is denoted by P, so in the place of 2A cos theta, P is written. Next by R square minus A square cos square theta as it is, but R is the distance where to where, it is a positive charge, it is a negative charge, some point is we have taken here this point, and here to here distance is R, I said. Sometime instead of keeping here, we can keep at large distance also, then R value what happens? R value increases, but distance between A is very small comparing to R, so small term already squared here, okay. Then comparing to R, A value is very small, so that means it may be neglected with comparison with 2 R square, okay. So A value neglected means in the place of A simply write 0 into cos square theta is 0, so that means complete this term is completely 0, sir. That sorry right here, A square cos square theta is completely neglected means in the place of this what is substituted? 0 is substituted. 0 R square minus 0 is R square only, so into 4 pi epsilon naught, 4 pi epsilon naught, so this is a piece cos theta. So this is the final answer. And in this equation, if we substitute theta as 90 degree, okay, so we know cos 90 is how much? It is 0. So cos 90 is 0 means V value is how much? It is 0. So when we get 0 cos 90, theta is 90, already we kept here one positive charge, here minus charge, okay, and distance between them we have written as, and we kept here one point like this. Instead of keeping here, if you keep here the point here, so this point is how much distance present here to here, the same distance present here to here. So here also same distance. If you keep point here also same distance, this side also same distance, this side also same distance. So if you keep the point along this line, so this line can make plane also in 2D. Along this line, this line or this plane is called equatorial plane. Equatorial plane. So that is a equal distance from plus q and minus q. At equatorial planes, what? Potential is always zero. Okay, at equatorial planes potential is always zero. So that is the friends, if theta is 90, potential becomes zero. That is potential vanishes, means zero, it becomes zero, it minimizes everywhere in the equatorial planes, means that is which is equal distance from the plus q and minus q. So that is friends, don't forget.